So land a job in IT in less than 30 days. So this is for the people who have somewhat knowledge in any programming language. They know something, but that they are not expert. So this video is for them. And also, if you've done any projects or you have tried to do any project, then that's a win. Okay. So for getting interviews or for getting a job, you have to look down on 5 things. Okay. If you are expert in any language, even if you are expert in any language, you need to go through these 5 things, and you need to pass these things. Okay. So first thing is that you need to understand the basics and fundamentals in problem solving. So theory knowledge is okay, but you need to have a practice in doing questions or to solve problems. Okay, you need to have a practice. So you need to understand the fundamentals in problem solving. So what are variables, what are all those things. Okay, then you need to read the questions. You should have to adapt a skill of speed reading so that you can read the question so fast so that you can save time. Okay, and you can also solve many questions in less span of time. Okay, then comes the coding questions. So if you look down on these things, coding, machine test, or coding questions, you will get random questions. There are many coding platforms like Codewars, HackerRank, etc. Codewars. So my opinion is that you need to stick on to one, but choose a platform that specifies the type of questions. So for example, just try to solve only array questions. So or just try to solve only expression questions. Only try to solve pattern questions. So by this you will get a upper hand in that area. But Codewars is not a good option to do like that, because Codewars consists of random questions. So you will when you try to practice the fundamentals also, you will get questions from expression, you will get questions from array, object, or anything. So Codewars is not a great platform to practice type of questions. So you need to find a platform. I think HackerRank that has that. So you will get to practice array question itself. So you will get a better understanding. Okay. So then the main important thing is patterns. Pattern is also a great topic to understand. Okay. So you need to separately go through all these things. So then there is aptitude. So many companies look for aptitude of the candidates. So there are many aptitude questions. Some are work on time, then profit and loss, then there will be something related to area, percentage, etc. So individually work on these things. So get a website that individually practice on work on time and all those questions. Then the most least type of questions are MCQ. So I had attended 5 interviews in 2-3 weeks. So one company first round they had a MCQ. So they are just like, if you are familiar in React, they will conduct an MCQ on React. So MCQ, then they will arrange technical. Okay. So this is not so important, but work on these majority of 80% of the companies, first round is coding, machine test, or aptitude. So work 80% of the companies. So work on these things. Okay. So then you will need to learn to write emails to HRs. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So anyway, do all these things. Good luck.